So this is the last part of this video, and I'm not going to attach it to the other part of it. So this is how the trade ended. Told you guys about the boom 1000, and we are in massive profit. So follow these steps that I'm going to show to you, and you're going to love it. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to our free Telegram channel, and you're also going to find the link to my WhatsApp in case you want to join the VIP, or the you want to for mentorship or account management. Okay, so guys, see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, YouTube boy Blue Boy FX. I'm happy to be with you guys again. So on this new strategy that I'm putting out, oh wow, the spike already came. Okay, so that's by the way, we are expecting more spikes, yeah. So I'm just going to show you how this indicator works and how to use it on your account to scalp and also to catch spikes. So sorry if you hear some noises at the background. I'm actually by the roadside. I'm inside the car, so sorry. Now you've seen that we just had a spike come through, but that's not what I'm going to really deliberate on. So I'm going to be showing you how this indicator works. The indicators I'm using here, we have the moving average on the main window, and we have the average directional movement and the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so now you've seen that on the this is the window, indicator window 1, and this is the main chart. So you've seen like here, whenever price gets to the upper part of this, that's the upper band, I guess that's from the Bollinger Bands, sorry, that's from the ADX here. So whenever it gets to the positive is the upper part. Okay, whenever it gets to the positive, it means that whenever the Bollinger Band gets to the positive, it means that you should watch out to catch spikes. Okay, but there is also going to be another confirmation. What is the second confirmation? The second confirmation is when this crosses over, that's when the blue line crosses with the black line. Okay, that's another confirmation. But right now that hasn't happened yet, but we are going to look out for that to happen. So we are just going to be observing. Okay, so meanwhile, what we're going to be doing now, let's go to the another pay. Let me show you. Let's just go find a setup. Okay, so but now another thing, if you want to, on the crash, if you want to buy, if you want to scalp on the crash, you should look out for markets for this Bollinger Band getting to the lower part, that's the negative of the ADX. Okay, whenever it gets down to here, you now go into scalp, and you can go into catch 5 to 6 or 7 candlesticks and leave the market. Okay, but another thing you have to observe is what is the trend of this market. That's another thing you have to look out for. Okay, you should have to look out for the trend of the market. So now let's go to the boom 1000. Okay, that was a spike on the B1000. Okay, this is a 30 minutes, sorry. So this is the B1000. Now what are we seeing here? First, the market is going up. That's what you've seen. And you know, when the market is up, you have to be looking out to trade with the trend. Okay, so you have to be looking out to trade with the trend. So now we go back to the 1 minute time frame. Remember, we are looking for a setup to scalp some profit. So now the market has gotten to that level. What we have to look out for is the crossover, which I talked about, which is yet to happen, but it has happened here already. Okay, and this market is actually pulling up, but it was a downtrend. So we go to the 4 hours to look at this. Well, what trend is this? Is an uptrend? Yeah, exactly, is an uptrend. So we look out to catch spikes. So the best thing to do at this moment is for you to wait for market to give you a better entry. that market coming down to this level, okay, then you go in for your buy. Okay, you go in for your buy. But at this level, you go to sell. But being that it's an uptrend, you should be looking out to buy. So now let's go to that was the boom 1000, crash 1000. Remember, we are still looking for a setup, but everything at the moment is at a point of either returning, and we are yet to get this. Okay, we're on earlier on, we were on I think B1000. No, so we were waiting for something to happen. No, is this it? No, this isn't it. Hold on, guys. Is the 500? Oh, no, this it wasn't the 500. Was it the crash 300? So now you've seen here there has been a crossover here. This is a crash 300. So there has been a crossover here, and let's see what trend is this. Is a downtrend. But this having happened, you've seen that had it been we saw this happening, it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll have at least 6 candlesticks for us. But we are not there to observe this crossover. Okay, market has gotten here and it has pulled back up. You see, back to this place. But now you see that that's how it works. But I'm still looking for that page. Is it a crash? Exactly, it was a crash 500 we're looking out for. Is a crash 500 we're looking out for. Okay, so now market has gotten to this level. We expect it to go back down. Now the best thing to do, as I said, the trend. What is the trend of the crash 500? Is an uptrend. So market is likely to keep buying. So what you have to do is go on the higher time frame. Now this is where price action kinds of comes in. Okay, that's what I actually trade with. Now you go in here into the market now, try to do your analysis. Okay, you try to do your analysis. Hold on, guys. That's the support level there. Okay, so you try to do your analysis to know what to do about this market now. Is it that is there a possible retracement? Okay, so but now if you go on the lower time frame for that rejection, you see that when markets got to that level, it went back up and retested that region, went back up, retested that region again before going back up. So it's likely that this is going to stand. Okay, it's likely that this is going to stand. Remember, it was an uptrend. Okay, so now the best thing to do is to wait for market to come down to this level so that you will have your buy entry. But if this should also cross again and correct this, we go in for a buy. Okay, so this is how this indicator works. At this level, you're going to buy. At this level, you're going to sell. Okay, at this level you're going to buy, at this level you're going to sell. So it's only, I think the crash is only the crash 1000 that is on a downtrend right now. Okay, which if we are going into this market, we are going in for a sell. Okay, if we are going into this market, we are going for a sell. But we won't have the time to go into that right now because I won't postpone this video to come and add another part to you. But make sure that you follow the rules. Remember, this has to cross over first. This has to cross over. The trend of the market also is very important. Okay, and then you look at the indicator windows for what I told you about. So now onto the settings for this. The first moving average uses a period of 7. The shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close. There are no levels. Time frame, all time frames, and you use the color I used. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Like the video, share it to your friends, and join the free Telegram channel. Okay, the free Telegram channel is free. So you see, this was an account that let's see this. Let me show you this. No, how we started on that particular account. No. Okay, so this is you see, this is a real account that I used. So let's grow this account together. Okay, so I had to tell the VIPs to be active because I was going to put in my all. Okay, So now after our first trade, of course, we gave the trade to the VIPs as well. Okay, I told them I had eyes on the VIX 51S. So it was the VIX 51S that pulled the account up to $700. That was our first gain. Okay, then I got into VIX 75 and we were able to grow it to 1,500. I wanted to get to 1,500 in 2 days, but by special grace of God, we were able to make it in a day. Okay, so from there we now made it and got to 2,300. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you how the account is going. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video. If you want account management, hit me up. If you want to learn how to trade, hit me up. Please screenshot this. Okay, you want to learn how to do the trade, you hit me up. And if you want to join the VIP, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to the free Telegram channel and also the link to my WhatsApp in case you want to reach out to me. Okay, we are breaking the barrier of poverty. We are breaking the barrier of poverty. So after that, you add the Bollinger Bands, the period 10, shift 0, deviation 0.11. Of course, apply to close. You can get all of that. Don't forget the levels on the ADM, the average directional movement. Okay, we have the levels here, 97 and 3. So you could use black. Okay, you could use black. So when you're done, you just go back to your chart and wait to catch spikes or the other part of it. So now let's check out our, okay, now you've seen there's been a crossing. So it's time that you could just go in to catch few candlesticks. So let's try this. I'm going to be going big. I think it's not as volatile. So we use 5 lot size for 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now let's check on that's boom 1000, boom 300, confirmation that passed us. You remember, crossover, and it is spiking now. It's going up. Boom 500, we're waiting for a confirmation as well. Crash 1000. Okay, 300 is still going up. It's buying. Remember, it's buying. This is the one that left us, crossed over, and we couldn't find it, and it left us. So I said something about a retracement on a particular period. I can't actually recall. And also, you have to note, be very careful to not go into too many markets at once. That is okay to focus on a few so you can follow up very well. Okay, so because you'll be missing out on entries and things like that. Okay, so now this has corrected itself and it has gone back up. So remember, this was an uptrend here that I said might actually, okay, this is the one I was talking about. You see, that rejection happened and market is now pulling, buying. Remember I said, talked about the support here. When it got back to this level, it went up, retested that region, and it's been buying. Remember, break, retest, very important. So we can't be waiting for another retest right now because the market is far gone and we can't do anything about it right now except you are taking the risk of going into scalp. But if you are very confident, it depends on your account, on your loss side, because whatever be the case right now, your SL will have to be around this region. This is going to be where your SL is. So if it's not too far for you, it's still okay for you to go in and make your profit. There are a lot of things that you have to learn about trading. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, share this video to your friends, and make sure you don't miss out. Okay, I said I was going to show you how this account is doing. Okay, now you see right now, boom, 1000 is on a profit, and this is VIX 75. We are on profit as well, and here is the account. Now it's on the equity of 3000. We are making about 129, 130 this morning. So guys, make sure you join the Blue Boy team and you won't miss out on anything. You're gonna enjoy it down there. We are there to make money. That's it. So load up your accounts. For account management, hit me up, and for mentorship, hit me up. Okay, this is the best way to go about this. Nothing is gonna pay you like Forex, trust me. So see you guys very soon, and we are going to be redrawing this money and we're going to grow this account again. Okay, it's always very important for you to take your profit. Don't joke with your profit. It's your profit. Eat it, enjoy it. Okay, So thanks guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Shout out.